This is grade 4, module 3, lesson 31, and the objective in this lesson is to interpret division word problems as either number of groups unknown or group size unknown. Okay, and we're going to look at homework problem number 3, and that reads, Jeff biked the same distance each day for 5 days. If he traveled 350 miles altogether, how many miles did he travel each? Okay, so let's start out with a target sentence. And that reads, Jeff traveled blank miles each day. Okay, so we know that he traveled for the same distance each day for 5 days. So we know the number of groups he had. We just don't know how much he traveled. So the size of the group is the unknown. So we're going to do a tape diagram here. And here's our tape. And this whole thing represents 350. And we're going to partition this into 5 sections. Okay. And what we need to know is how many did he travel in each day? So how many in one of these days? So in order to solve this, we have 350, and we're going to just be dividing it into those 5 units. So 350, and that's 350 miles divided by 5 days. Okay, and when I do that, I have a quotient of 70, and I can check by multiplying. And that checks out. So our answer would be Jeff traveled 50 miles each day. Okay, the next question we're going to do is question number 5, and it reads, 5 Martians equally share 1,940 Groblark's fruit. How many Groblark fruits will 3 of the Martians receive? Okay, so let's do our target sentence. And that reads, 3 of the Martians will receive blank Groblark's fruits. Okay, so we know there are 5 Martians. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me just make this a little bit shorter here. Okay. So each of these units represents a Martian, and they're sharing 1,940 Groblark's fruits. How many fruit will 3 of the Martians receive? So we want to know how many 3 of them will receive. So in order to do that, I need to divide 1,940 divided by 5, and again, the size of the group is the unknown, so the size of each unit is unknown. So I have 1,940, and I'm going to be dividing that by 5. Okay, and there's 8. 8 times 5 is 40, minus 40, 40. Okay, so I have an answer of 388. I'm going to multiply that by 5 just to do my check. And that checks out. So one of these units here is 388, but I want to know for 3. So I have to take my 388, and now I have to multiply it by 3. And that would be 1,164. So 3 of the Martians will receive 1,164 Groblark's fruit.